This will be a great opportunity for you all to get placed and secure offers with a good package of 4 to 6.75 LP. Also, Cognizant is a good company. It doesn't delay your joining and it also provides a good working culture. So, in my point of view, you should be definitely trying harder for this hiring. And if you follow my guidance and materials, you will be definitely get placed in this company. As I am placed in this company in the hiring that was happened before this one. So let's get started. So these are the profiles for which Cognizant generally hires freshers. So there are three profiles: Gen Z, Gen Z Pro, and Gen Z Next. For the Gen Z profile, you will be given the designation of Programmer Analyst Trainee with a package of 4 LPA. And for Gen Z Pro profile, you will be given a designation of Programmer Analyst. This generally happens for special skills like Salesforce, AWS, etc., which will be mentioned in Superset while you apply. And the third profile is Gen Z Next, which offers you a package of 6.75 LPA, but you need to be extraordinary for that. You should have extraordinary skills like data science, full stack development, etc., according to the cluster assigned to you. So, these are some info about Cognizant. Cognizant is a fast growing company now and it is doing well. One thing which is most fascinating, you doesn't have any bond in this job, which is mentioned here, which is great. So now I will go on with hiring process. So first you will be registered on Superset. Your college will tell you how to do it and you will mention your resume in it. Once you mention your resume will be screened and will definitely get cleared because it is on campus hiring and no matter what you put in your resume, you will definitely cleared in this round. So then you will get a link of communication and aptitude assessment, which is a mandatory one. You need to focus on this assessment. You need to clear it. It is online. I don't know how will you clear it, as you all know how to clear it. So you should have to clear this. If you do not clear this, you will not move forward. If you fail in any of this assessment, communication or aptitude, you will be rejected at that moment. So please be careful while giving these. The next round is technical assessment. So it happens for three clusters, which I will be telling you in brief in next video. So please wait for it. I will also provide you the materials to prepare for it for all the clusters. Then happens technical interview. We will be also discussing about this in next video. And if you clear the interview, then Cognizant will decide which package you will be selected for. Then you will get letter of intent, and if you accept this letter of intent, you will be placed in Cognizant. Please note all these things. You can pause the video and read this. And the mandatory thing, which is eligibility criteria. Please be careful in that. So you should be from 2026 batch with BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and these streams are excluded. You should have minimum of 60% in 10, 12 diploma, UG, and PG. And to be eligible for Gen Z next role, you should have a minimum of 70% in 10, 12 diploma, UG, and PG. You cannot round off 69.9% or 69.7% to 70%. You should have minimum of 70%. You should not have an active backlog while you are applying in this company. You should be flexible to work from any location as provided by Cognizant. And you should be an Indian national. That's it. So these are the mandatory documents that are required for registration. Resume attached with latest photograph. So this is a mandatory thing. In many colleges, if you doesn't paste your photograph in your resume, you will get rejected. Please mention the certificates as this will improve your package from 4 to 5.4 or further higher if they need it. This is the mandatory documents for applying. These documents you should carry with you during your interview. These are the necessary documents. So let's talk about clusters. So there will be three clusters. Skill 1 will be based on Java, skill cluster 2 will be based on Python, and skill cluster 3 will be based on C Sharp. So most of the questions are from mainly Java and SQL. And in this cluster, most of the questions will be from Python and SQL. And same for this, most questions will be from C Sharp and SQL. So you will get an option while applying which cluster you should choose. But don't rely on it because Cognizant can assign you a different cluster from which one you have chosen. So please be ready for it. I will be providing you different materials to prepare for that. So don't panic. You can easily prepare for it in 1 month. Because languages are just syntax, you need to know the main core concept behind that. And these are some instructions. You can read it by pausing the video. Yeah, that's it. So I will say this is a great opportunity for you guys to secure an offer in Cognizant. Cognizant is again providing you the opportunity to get placed. This is a very good company providing a very good package in MassHiring. Not all companies provide such a good package in MassHirings. So you should be definitely trying harder for this one. And I will also make a video on how to get placed on higher packages. So please be ready for it. And in next video, I will be providing you the materials, previous year questions to prepare for this hiring. So please be ready with this.